केलेल्या ECI ना ती गोवा काँग्रेस पार्टी म्हणून सो इथे तुमचे किती म्हणजे तुम्ही काँग्रेसीचे LoP आहात. दोन पार्टी आम्ही म्हणतात
किती मरे आम्ही 4 वर्सां उलयताय की बीजेपी पार्टी पळय हा ऑपोजिशना म्हणे फूट घालपाक जायते प्रयत्न करतले. 2022 कोणा खबर नासली 6 म्हयन्या भितर TMC येयली. TMCन कितें केलें येयल्यो जायते लोकांक नवी सकाळ आनी नवी अकोल जायते दिलें, कार्ड दिलीं, क्रेडीट कार्डा भाशी 50,000 5,000 हेंका कोण हाडले, कितें हाडले लोकां मदें कन्फ्युजन करपाक. आणि कन्फ्युजन जेन्ना कोताय एक डिस्ट्रॅक्शन. दिस इज पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रॅक्शन and politics of distraction basically from the main issues. My focus from day one as an MLA, as leader of opposition of the Congress party was to basically show that the BJP जे आज गोंयांत करप्शन केला, ज्या पद्दतीन लोकांक लुट्टा, सेल ऑफ गोवा हे नरेटिव्ह जेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षान अग्रेसिव्हली घेतले, एक्सपोज करपाक घेतले, दिस इज नथिंग बट BJP's ideas, theatrics to make sure this distraction happens. And to confuse Goans. So this is politics of distraction to confuse Goans. Let me tell you very, very seriously की आम्ही लोकांक सांगपाक सोदता the Congress party is intact. After the last defection, for 4 years we have been fighting in the assembly. Although we are 3 MLAs, we have exposed this government time and over again. Every session on the ground. And today the BJP understands in divide and rule. Few individuals ganging up to form a political outfit. What is their ideology? It's a big question mark. Yesterday there was a public notice. But if you see, if we connect the dots, the BJP is scared, they have become vigilant, and they understand they want to divide. ये गोवा काँग्रेस जे पण मुखार आमकां आयको येता, दिस इज नथिंग बट एक प्रयत्न करपाक लोकां मदें डिवायड करपाक. आमचो फोकस आसा, नो मॅटर वॉट, माय फोकस, माय पार्टीज फोकस is to defeat the BJP. And this coming 4-5 months before the election, I believe the people are not fools. Goenkarak, to me, you cannot take them for granted. Today, the real issue, the real fight is against the BJP. What the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, as the principal opposition party, we will fight against the BJP.
So, complaint file, they are going to file the complaint.
No, see,
Objection.
that objections, legally what needs to be done, the party will decide. But at the start, हांव सांगपाक सोदता, TMC is an example. Why were they brought to Goa? 6 months before, why were they brought to Goa? The BJP understands, and their survey shows that they are losing miserably. What the BJP has is crores of rupees, and they will use these crores of rupees to divide Goan people based on religion and caste. This is what they have done. आणि सेक्युलर लोकांमध्ये फूट घालपाचो प्रयत्न करतले. I am confident, and I ask the people of Goa to open your eyes. Last particular election in 2022, the BJP won because they divided people. The BJP won because several other political parties did not unite. And Congress being the principal opposition party, we will definitely work with everyone to make sure that the BJP is sent home.
Say BJP has planned this new Congress.
See, I am trying to tell you that the BJP is a well-oiled machine. They are corrupt. Their corruption is come out in public domain. They are scared. Their figures, their surveys show that they are going home. The only thing that they have is they have crores of rupees. What they will do is they will try to divide all the people who are against this particular BJP. म्हणजे फूट घालपाचो प्रयत्न हो सरकाराचो बेसिकलो प्रयत्न आसतलो, पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रॅक्शन टू कन्फ्यूज गोवन आनी असले हे मुखार चलचे.
ओके, सेम पार्टी थ्री फडणवीसांनी तुमच्या प्रेसिडेंटान म्हटलेले की
100 करोड रुपये न्यू पार्टी करपाची घालता.
सी जाय तो वस्तू हेज मुखार जायत जायत दिसतले तुका. पावसान बेबे भायर सरते ते भाशेन जायते दिसतले. हे सगळे बेबे पडे आहाय तेंगेलो हेतू बीजेपी घरा धाडपाक न्हू. तेंगेलो हेतू डिवायड अँड रूल करून बीजेपीक पत्ते सट्टेर हाडपाक. आमी क्लियर कट 4 वर्सां जाली, ऑलमोस्ट 4.5 वर्सां जाली. आमचो प्रयत्न जो आहा तो आमी फोकस्ड आसा. मे बी वी हॅव फ्यू नंबर्स बट आर फोकस वी हॅव नेव्हर कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. आय हॅव नेव्हर कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड nor have my MLAs compromised with the focus to basically send the BJP home.
But what do you have to say about this? There's a rumor that this party, which is coming or something, will be formed within the Congress leaders.
See, there are a lot of rumors, Kenzil. Politics does not work on rumors. If you have a fact, if there are facts, facts will be known. Of course, for a new political party, you need certain founder members. The ECI has to put it on the portal. So we will all know, we will understand all the founding members, who are the founding members, what is their agenda. Everything will come out in public domain. That is the time when, today it is just a public notice. But what I am trying to say is that linking the Indian National Congress with the name of Goa Congress, because we गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी म्हणून सगळ्यांक आमकां फामाद आहा. लिगली द पार्टी विल टेक अ कॉल. बट हे प्रयत्न जे पडे आहाय हे प्रयत्न ह्या बीजेपीचो सरकाराचो आसा आमचे मदें डिवायड करपाक. हांव सदांच म्हणटा पयशांची ऑफर कोट्यांनी रुपया तेंकडे आहा, तेंकडे लोक ना. आनी लोक आज दे आर विजील. I am confident that this we have spoken not for now, but right from, even our president made a statement few days ago. Before that, right from 4 years, हांव सदांच म्हणटा आमचे मदें ऑपोजिशनामध्ये डिवायड करपाचो प्रयत्न करतले. Everyone needs to understand that united we stand, divided we fall. The mantra for winning this election is not rocket science. 66% of the opposition needs to come together. How do we come together? Forget our egos. We need to come together and make sure we send this government home. And the Congress will send this government home. Maka खूब हेजेर विश्वास.
प्रेसिडेंट आसा त्याचे काही स्टेटमेंट्स येले की आनी काँग्रेस पार्टी येतली किंवा सेकंड काँग्रेस पार्टी.
So please don't put words in my mouth. There are basically, the Congress is a family. I have seen his statement. He has said that he is with the Congress, with the Indian National Congress. So there is basically, you won't get that from me. We are all finally working in the interest of the party. What is our agenda? Our agenda is the people want to send the BJP home. That is the focus. Should be the focus. So yen distractions out na. I am focused. We are working on our strategies, constituency wise, booth wise, building the party, district presidents working presidents working. This has made the BJP, it has rattled them. They below high. तांकां खबर आहा की ते, you all must have seen the amount of activities that is happening. Our focus is to send the BJP.
You need to say that none of your Congress workers or leaders are attached with this Congress party foundation.
See, finally, we are गोंयकार मरे. गोंयकार, whether गोंयकारपण आमगेलें पयलीं आमी राखपाक. गोंयकारपण म्हळ्यार कितें? आज ज्या पद्दतीन आमचें लिबरल गोंय म्हणून आमकां वळखता, ज्या पद्दतीन करप्शन, ज्या पद्दतीन क्रायम, हे सगळें जें वाडलेलें आसा, हितून जरी तर चयल्यार बीजेपीचो जो संकल्प पत्र आशिल्लो 2022 जे 6 म्हयने आदीं तेमी डिवायड केले. लास्ट टाइम डिव्हिजन ऑफ वोट झाले. एव्हरीवन वॉन्टेड बीजेपी गोईंग होम. गोंयकार डिसायड जावपा जाय. वी आर फर्स्ट गोंयकार्स, पार्टी सेकंड. गोंयकार टुगेदर विल डिफीट द बीजेपी. So the Goenkars need to take a call. And how to take a call? The principal opposition party, Congress, will lead this fight.
तुमचे कुकळे हांगासर काले
कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून
तुमच्याच पार्टीचो लिडर तो
Sorry, एक सांगपा सोदता, कोणाच्यान बसपा जाता. म्हाका लोकांचेर विश्वास आहा, कुंकळकाराचेर विश्वास आसा. आनी फायनली right from a young boy in 2002, when my father first contested, Kunkolkars blessed us for 10 years. After which, in 2022, when I contested, I won. During the MP election, we got one of the highest margins in the history. We got a lead of almost 6,000 votes. That never ever did the Congress party get so much lead. Captain Viriato got. Today, I represent Kunkolim, no doubt, but I am fighting for the people of Goa. हांव गोंयकार गोंयकारा पासून हांव झुजता कुंकोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी नो डाउट बट प्रायमरीली आय एम फायटींग फॉर द रायट्स ऑफ गोवा फॉर मी गोवा इज फर्स्ट फॉर मी what the people of Kunkolim will do. I know the love and affection that they have shown to me all throughout these years. For the last 25 years, Kungolkars have associated themselves to my father, to me. We've been holding the municipality for the almost last 20 years. So it is not going to basically. A lot of people will try की बाबा ना ना तू कुंकोळ एशे हा तेशे हा म्हजें लक्ष गोंय सांबाळपाक म्हजें लक्ष जे पडे हा 40 मतदारसंघान वचपाक हे बीजेपीचे जे मनीस आसा बीजेपीचे मनीस हे भियेलेले आहा इसले जायत जातले एवरी वन इज फ्री टू कॉन्टेस्ट द इलेक्शन ऑल आर वेलकम But I will tell you one thing that I have full faith in the Kungolkars and I will win with a very big thumping majority.
ओके फाल्यां जर पार्टीन सांगली की कोय सोड आणि अजून खंयसून कॉन्टेस्ट कर जाल्यार तुम्ही करतले
So फाल्यां आता तूं प्रुडंट आहा मरे तुका फाल्यां पयलो इंडिया टुडे वयतलो वो वचपाना चिंततो मरे तूं वयतलो सो कितें आहा पार्टी जे पड सांगता ते आदेश आमकां आयकपाक पडटा पण ते तूं प्रुडेंटा आयकतलो वो इंडिया टुडे गेला आयकतलो तें तुजेर आहा बाबा कळ्ळें न्हू तें पड पार्टी सांगता ते पार्टीचे आमकां आयकपाक पडटा